For any pressure washer to perform to factory specifications, producing full gallons per minute in pressure, a properly sized pressure nozzle must be used. Pressure nozzles are color-coded for ease of use, with the color designating the nozzle spray pattern. Red, or 0 degree, is a concentrated pencil-thin stream. Yellow, or 15 degrees, produces a putty knife scraping effect. Green, or 25 degrees, creates flushing or sweeping effect. And white, or 40 degrees, is a wide coverage nozzle. Each pressure nozzle's orifice is drilled to the specific gallons per minute and pressure designated. Standard nozzle sizes range from number 2 to number 60, covering a range of 0.71 to 61 gallons per minute and 500 to 5,000 psi. Each nozzle is marked with the spray pattern and orifice size located below the plastic-coated collar. The first two numbers designate the pressure nozzle spray pattern, followed by nozzle's orifice size. If the nozzle is worn and can't be read, a nozzle size selector chart can be used by using the GPM and pressure output of the pressure washer. It is very important to use the right pressure nozzle. A smaller than required orifice size nozzle will cause electric motor or engine problems, and too large an orifice size nozzle will cause a loss in pressure. There are a wide variety of nozzles used in various types of cleaning. Contact your local dealer for more information.